Okay, everybody, now you all have to imagine that you all have a watch. By the help of that watch, you can go in the past for 5 minutes. Can you please share where would you go? This time we can listen to you.
Yes, we can go past.
Yes, you can go in the past.
Yes. So I will go in the past. If I that place I like, then I will go.
Okay, whatever place you
Like. Yes.
Fantastic answer. This time we can take some another response. Okay, I think there is one more person.
I will go in my past. If I have missed any work, I will
Okay.
complete it.
Okay, if
this
you
work.
missed any work in your past, you would
Yes.
like to complete that, is it?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. I would like to ask any another person that would you like to meet any famous person, or would you like to join any big event, or you would like to go in the past which you think that was one of the very cool moment for you. Okay, this time we can listen to you.
Okay. So if I get a chance to meet
Yes.
a famous person, so
Yes.
I will meet my sir.
You will meet to your
Sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, I think there is a good memory with that, sir, is it?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. This time we can take one more response. This time we
Yes.
can listen to you.
Yes.
Yes, please
It is
speak.
the same question.
Yes.
Yes. If I get sometimes I will meet my friend.
Okay. Okay, you would like to meet your friend.
Yes, I would like.
Okay, fantastic. I think that is your best friend, is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, delighted answer. Now let's move ahead, everybody. And let's move ahead, everybody. And now I am going to draw something on the board, and you all are going to know about it. That what is the difference between them? Great. Okay, so everybody, as I have drawn on the board 3 things, can you please share that what is the difference between them? Okay, first of all, we can listen to you. This time you can share.
Yes. So first one is a clock, and the second one is a like a computer or maybe phone, and the
Okay.
third one is a watch.
Third one is the watch.
Yes, and this is a difference between these.
Okay, well try. By the way, yes, we can listen to you also. You this time you
Yes.
can share.
The first is a hand watch, and the second is a calendar, and
Okay.
the third is a wall watch.
Third one is wall watch.
Wall watch.
Okay. Okay. By the way, well try. This time we can listen to you also. You would like to speak? Yes, please speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, first, the clock is looking like we can keep it on table, and the second one I don't know. The third
Okay.
one that we usually wear in our hand. So we
Okay.
call that watch wristwatch.
Okay, absolutely right. By the way, yes, everybody, somewhere you are correct. And there were some of the mistakes. I am telling that what is the difference between them. The first one is analog clock. Analog. Yes, everybody. The first one is analog clock, and the second one is digital clock, and the last one which we wear in our hand, this is wrist watch. Okay, now is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, now everybody, watch, whatever we wear in our wrist, that we can we call? What do we call?
Wristwatch.
Yes, that we call watch. Normally we can say watch only.
Yes.
Okay. If any another things are there from where we get to know about time, if it is in your laptop, if it is in your phone, if it is on the wall also you can see, if you can put it on the table, then those all things are we call that is clock.
Yes, digital clock.
Not that is not digital clock, that is clock only. Okay.
Okay.
Everybody, I hope you all have understood the difference between these things. Okay. And as you are talking about digital clock, in the digital clock we can see numbers, and normal clock we can see hands will be there, and by the help of hands we get to know what time is it right now. As everybody, we are going to know about the uses of past and to. Let's see that how are we going to use that. The first thing, everybody, before telling that, I would love to say one thing. We have listened one term, quarter. Then let's get to know, and for what do we call water. Before sharing past and to everybody, I would love to say that what is the meaning of quarter. In the clock, everybody, whenever we talk about clock and whenever we are going to share timing, if it is going 15 minutes, then we can say quarter. Okay, for how much minute do we use quarter, everybody?
We can 15 minutes.
Yes, for 15 minutes we use quarter. And there is one more thing, for 30 minutes we use half. What do we use everybody?
We will use half.
Absolutely right. If it is 30 minutes, then we use half. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Okay, so everybody, for telling the time with the using of past and to, then we can normally put it in our mind that whenever we are going to speak timing, first of all, we see, as I have divided this clock in two parts. If the minute hand is in right side, then we will use past, and if it will be in the left side, then we are going to use to here. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask first some of the things. This time we can listen to Aman. Aman, you can share that if it is 15 minutes, then what else can we speak?
We can speak quarter past.
Okay, we can speak quarter only. Okay,
Yes.
now we can listen to Nisha. You can share that if it is 30 minutes, then what can we speak?
We can say half.
Okay, we can say half also. Okay, now this time we can listen to Rohit. You can share that if the minute hand is right side, that time what can we use, past or to?
Past.
That time we have to speak
Past.
And if it is in left side, then what should we speak?
To.
To. Okay, now everybody, this time how are we going to speak the timing? For that, there is very simple rule. First we have to speak minute, and whatever is there, if hand is right side, then we will use past. If hand is left side, then we will use, what will we use, everybody?
2
2, and at the end we will write
hours.
okay. As it is here, we can see how much minute is it right now, everybody?
So 110.
1:10 means 10 minutes has gone after 1.
Yes.
Is it? Then we can write here simple 10. Should we use past or to, everyone? This time we can give chance to Kusum. Kusum, you can share.
10 past 2, 1.
Okay. 10 past, not 2. If the minute hand will be in left side, then only we will use 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. It is right side, then we use minute 10 past, and hour it is
1.
1. Very good. Okay, now if I am going to change it, now I am going to make it like this. This time we can listen to Mohit. You can share that.
Yes.
What time is it right now?
20 past 1.
Absolutely right. It is 20 past 1. Very good. Now this time we can give chance to Ankita. Ankita, if this hand okay, everybody, as we all have understood the uses of past, this time we are going to know the uses of to. In this, everybody, in the past we were writing those time, those minutes, whatever has been passed from the exact time. Now everyone, in the to we will be writing that minute which is left to being a exact time. Suppose that in this clock, after 20 minutes, what time will be, everybody?
2.
It will be 2 o'clock.
Yes.
What will it be?
2 o'clock.
It will be 2 o'clock after 20 minutes. Then here I can write here 20, and what should I use here? Past or to, everybody?
2.
Here I should use 2, and after in the hour, what time will be after 20 minutes?
2.
It will be 2 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, 2 o'clock.
Then it is written 20 to 2. Very good. Okay, this time I want to take one more response. This time I can take a response by Neelu. Neelu, this time you can share what time is it right now?
10 to 2.
It is 10 to 2. Absolutely right. 10 to 2. I hope it is clear for you all, everybody.
Yes.
Okay, great. Now everybody, as I have already shared, as you all have already opened SRB part A, there are some of the clocks where you all are going to write timing with the uses of past and to. Can you do this, everybody? Okay, fantastic, everybody. Now please